A new month is approaching, which is the perfect time to reshuffle your portfolio and diversify. And in this video, I'll be bringing you 5 altcoins that you need to have on your radar for April 2021. I'm Jessica Walker and welcome back to another BeInCrypto news episode. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel, and in this video, we'll be looking over Litecoin and Polkadot and their price trends looking pretty appealing. NEO looks like it's set for a breakout formation, and we'll be ending this with a Celsius and Cosmos, both accumulating, signaling a possible breakout. When taking a look at the top altcoins, we have to mention Litecoin. It's been in an uptrend since December and could be headed for a retest of the high it made in late February, if you guys remember, and as you can see on the charts here. So Litecoin still has yet to reach its December 2017 all-time high of over $350 US. However, it did celebrate a 3-year high of $238 around February the 20th. So what's really interesting to note is that Litecoin's gained 60% since the beginning of 2021. The Charlie Lee project has been getting back into the spotlight lately, and bullish traders are even mentioned the all-time high as their next price target. So the Litecoin Foundation has completed the code for it, and this is a mouthful, the Mimblewimble extension block, which will enhance scaling and privacy for the cryptocurrency. So there's really big things ahead for Litecoin. The protocol, which is named after the fictional Harry Potter spell, uses confidential transactions. It also allows senders to encrypt the number of coins to be sent using binding factors while obscurating the addresses. This really improves the privacy of the blockchain, but also enhances its scalability, which for an altcoin is a huge necessity. As we can see in the chart here, Polkadot actually reached its all-time high in February and has slowed down since. But we could say something that the price has remained close to the top and there hasn't actually been any sustained profit taking. April could see a big move here, as high as $55 US as analysts predict. And after establishing itself as the 6th largest coin by market cap, then it got listed by Grayscale as an ETF available for institutional traders. Grayscale is actually the world's largest crypto asset fund for institutional investors. So this speaks volumes here when it comes to attention that it's getting in the industry. So keep an eye on that. And most recently, Simplex, a fiat to crypto on-ramp provider, and its integration of Polkadot and the DOT token. Now this would actually allow crypto users to purchase the token with a credit or debit card, even Apple Pay or bank transfers. So when it comes to adoption and availability, it's a very accessible product. The financial institution is aiming for mass cryptocurrency acquisition and adoption, saying that the addition of DOT to its list of supported digital assets would actually bring it closer to this goal. Now, the firm is also planning to expand its offerings beyond Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a handful of other cryptocurrencies by adding on DeFi token trusts like Polkadot, but also some others. So there's some really exciting things planned ahead with some integration of Polkadot there. So keep a close eye. Now next up, we have NEO, the open source platform. Now if we look at the charts again, NEO also looks like it will break out of a triangle formation on the daily chart. With a long-term trend line pointing upwards, we could see a sharp rise when it meets a more recent downward trend. So investors kind of wrote off NEO a long time ago, and the reason why was the China-based cryptocurrency, which was actually known originally as anti-shares, went into a tailspin back in 2018. I'm not sure if any of you remember, the Chinese central government actually cracked down on cryptocurrency exchanges, and NEO was hit pretty hard. So the currency remains almost 80% down from its all-time highs. Yet, change is on the horizon, and this is really important to note. In April of last year, the Chinese authorities actually began a limited rollout of the yuan, a government-backed cryptocurrency. Now, people expect the Central Bank of China to expand the program during the Beijing 2022 Winter Olympics. So although it's really impossible to see how the CCP will also give NEO this winning title of cryptocurrency champion, there's phenomenal upside if they had to do so. Next up, one of the altcoins that's also flying under the radar right now is Celsius token. It looks to be in a bullish consolidation pattern based on this wave analysis that has been severely affected by some of the recent sell-offs. However, since the formation is coming up after an upward move, a breakout would be more likely if it does break out, and Celsius could increase all the way to $9.29. So on recent news on February the 15th, Celsius actually confirmed that they've paid out over $250 million in saving-based cryptocurrency yields to its followers. That's a huge amount. The opportunities that decentralized finance provide to everyday users are really notable, and this has been exemplified by the Celsius network. So serial entrepreneur Alex Mashinsky actually created this hybrid CeFi DeFi lending platform. And if you do want to find out more about Alex Mashinsky, I actually interviewed him on BeInCrypto back in December. He gave some great outlooks for Celsius. And this staggering number of points actually lead to the massive potential that DeFi applications can really enable, and it shows this is only the beginning. Now our list is complete finally by Cosmos, which is trading with the Atom ticker. So it's made this all-time high in mid-February, and since then it's been discovered by more and more people, both as an ecosystem and also an investment opportunity. So looking at the chart as I'm showing you now, a price bounce is quite likely. However, Atom is expected to eventually break down from the channel. Now if so, the next support would be found at around $15. So similar to Polkadot, Cosmos is an ecosystem of blockchain that really offers interoperability, allowing exchanges of data between different blockchains. It's been quiet in Cosmos for a while now, and the latest news included Binance kicking off Cosmos staking along with Cardano as well, which is another one that we've been speaking about a lot lately on this channel. So interest in both blockchains have spiked with new milestones. Atom surged to a new high in January to accommodate this renewed interest, and Binance will expand its staking features to support more and more cryptocurrencies like Atom. So there you have the top altcoin picks for April 2021. Are there any that you're watching out that you'd like to share? Drop them in the comments below with a reason why. I would love to take a look. I'm Jessica Walker, and thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to BeInCrypto to not miss any other content like this. BeInCrypto News release new videos every single Tuesday and Thursday.